Kelvin Momo is a generational talent that needs protection from the fans and the industry at large. When I view his brand, personality and statistics, I see an international act that can become the biggest musician ever come out of Africa. His production and essence communicates aesthetics of a high-income demographic. The music speaks to your soul and your essence of being. Such music requires an environment of growth, awareness, acceptance, abundance, and love. If you seek change, evolution, and productivity in your life, this is an artist you must listen to. Music is more than just vibes, melodies, notes, and words. It is an energy you consume and embody. These frequencies that resonate with your spirit to become a version of self that is in deep state of the music you consume. This event has proven to us that artists like Kelvin Momo can sell arenas countrywide